A common, if not the most common problem with these cars, Volvo S60, XC70, XC90, the alarm siren. Very oftentimes, 8 years old, you have these backup batteries inside, they start leaking, and this one is in good condition, but if you open yours, it may find burning this electronic board. The main idea for this video is that I would suggest you try already when you buy a new Volvo, test the alarm right off the bat, because it may not be working and it may cause you a battery drain, or sometimes the sunroof may not work and stuff like this. Test it. I'm not sure. I'm going to show you what to do. If you find it's not working, remove the fuse. Let me just present the fuse first. It's on the left side here. I think most models of Volvo is the 38 number of 5 amperes is the last one, so very easy to locate. That's the alarm, that's the fuse for it. You just basically remove the fuse. I'll show what happens. Let's just try to test it. So a nice way to test the siren, it's drop the driver's window or passenger window, doesn't matter which one. Close all doors, make sure trunk lid, hood, it's all properly closed, and just secure the car with the fob or with the lock here, and undo the handle from inside. You still have 10 seconds until the alarm will start ringing, which just give it a second. Oh, by the way, mine, yeah, I forgot to tell, I think, let's just see if it still works or not. Yes, this is it. So I have another one, it's in place there, that's working. I just basically forgot. So that's the test, about 10-15 seconds, I'm not sure how long. If you find it's not working, one thing, I recommend you pull the fuse right away, but check one thing before. I forgot about it. So when you lock the car, check this small light here. If you can see it, the red light is blinking steady like this. If it's not blinking, there may be an issue with the hood switch or the trunk switch, so be sure that light is blinking, or otherwise some switch is not engaged and the alarm won't ring, so you won't be able to test it properly. Let's just pull perhaps the fuse. It's better to do this with the engine off. We have this small very useful hook, and the only thing, when you pull the siren, well, when you disconnect the siren, basically when you are going to use the car, everything should be working properly. Sunroof, side glasses, everything should be working. Even the light should flash steady when the car is locked. The only thing that will happen is you will get a short message and light here. You'll have a small message and the light here, but don't worry, it just disappears in 5 seconds or so, I believe. So that's it. Every time you start the engine, it's really nothing annoying or something to worry about. There's another situation when sometimes the sunroof or the home link won't work. I really recommend you try locking, unlocking with the key fob the driver's door 3 times in a row, see if that changes something, but sometimes it may be related to the alarm siren. By the way, these are pretty expensive, and I think you get only genuine ones. If you try to look at the market ones, try to find one with flat back, like back cover like this. The older one had a bump here where it's marked the number for it, but if you find a black one, sometimes you may look to the screws, not rusted. May be lucky and find a good one that was already replaced. The battery sits in there, and if you need to remove it, some people like to replace it with aftermarket ones. My suggestion, when you try to remove it, just break one of these legs on either side, doesn't matter, you see it's welded there. Don't try to slide out the battery because it's so thick, it won't slide out, and just mess around. The positive and negative, don't forget to mark them properly so you know which way you connect the new battery. I'm putting a link now how to replace the siren if you want to put a new one. It's an easy way which I found out by mistake basically, and it's a little bit uncommon, if I can say so, but it saves you time. So check this link out, and thanks for watching, guys.